teach truth. What do I mean by that? I was looking for a song that I remembered in my childhood. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah. And when I listened to the song, I realized that it went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that's not biblical. That's not what Genesis chapter 7 says. Genesis chapter 7 says the animals went in 2 by 2 and 7 by 7, and that distinction is clean and unclean animals. What we are encouraged to eat and not eat. So let's teach our children truth and what the Bible exactly says. So I hope you'll enjoy this slight changed version of the animals went in 2 by 2. Hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The unclean animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The unclean animals went in 2 by 2, for God had said that they were unclean, and they all went into the ark for to get out of the rain. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, for God had said that they were clean, and they all went into the ark for to get out of the rain. The unclean animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The unclean animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The unclean animals went in 2 by 2, for God had said that they were unclean, and they all went into the ark for to get out of the rain. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The clean animals went in 7 by 7, for God had said that they were clean, and they all went into the ark for to get out of the rain.